Today in this video, I'll be doing a review on the Carotone lightening gel and the Carotone face jar cream. So guys, if you're interested in this video, stay tuned, don't move a muscle, and let me give you the good information. Don't forget to click the like button, click the subscribe button, press your bell notification so that you will be the first person to get my video when I upload it. So let's start the reviewing now. I have been using this lightening gel for like, let me see, around 3 to 4 months, and the reactions, the results that I get from it, I don't think it is as good as the ones that I was previously using. That is my opinion. I don't know if you have used it before, but I don't think it gives you that glow. Well, everyone's skin is different, and I have a combination of dry, oily, and sensitive. So to me, it just don't give you that glow. To me, it doesn't give me that glow. So I don't think I would want to even continue. Guys, I'm going to be straight up with you, because not every skin lightening gel that I use works for me. Maybe it works for you, but it don't work for me, and maybe it works for me and it don't work for you. So if I recommend something and it doesn't work for you, well, my skin is different. So let's move on to the Carotone lightening face jar cream. For this cream, I have been using it for 1 year and maybe 2 months. Yes. So as you see, that I put a lot of Carotone on my YouTube channel because I'm doing the review and I'm mixing the creams and trying out with other gels and with other oils and stuff. So my opinion is that I love this cream. Honestly, it lets me glow. It helps my acne. If you have acne issues and you lighten your skin, I think this cream is the perfect cream for you. That's my opinion. What you think, guys? Well guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have reached this far and not yet subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe.